It held up pretty good though. It did kick in for a while. And here comes Martin. Might as well just blow the audio all to hell, right, Martin? What do you think? Forget that we're pretending we're doing a nature show? Right, buddy. Fuck this nature show, huh? You're not trying to hear about a bunch of nature, are you? What would you like, Martin? How may I help you? Oh, look, buddy. You don't give a shit about lightning, do you? Would you like petties? Do you want me to pet you? So right now, Martin is accepting pets. He was in his little kitty box sleeping, and he woke up and came out right when the fridge kicked in. So there was no longer gonna be stillness and quiet here. So we might as well chit-chat and pet the Martin. Pet the kitty. I'm stroking his little chin. There's a velvet chin. Martin has a velvet chin made of velvet. Yes, he does, but he doesn't really like that. He tolerates it. Look at the lightning, Martin. You could give two shits about the lightning. Okay, let me take a break and hold Martin for a little bit. And we'll see if the lightning increases, because I've decided to do a few more episodes of nature news. This is really neat.